siciliana. Vi presento...
Hello everyone, I am Daniela Iozzia. This is my workshop. I do baskets that were once used by our farmers and shepherds to contain fodder for animals or land products. They are the Sicilian coffe bags. I have created these bags enriched with fine materials.
Vi faccio vedere, vi mostro. Queste sono delle semplici ceste in foglia di palmanana intrecciata a mano.
These are our coffe bags made of dwarf palm leaves, hand woven, that I decorate, for example, with hand paintings on real leather. This is our Sicilian cart that we decorate with passementerie.
Questo è un carretto siciliano tipico mezzo di trasporto degli anni del 500. Questo è un tessuto rasatello di cotone, quindi un tessuto di...
Here inside we have a sack. I like to call them luxury bags because in addition to the material used that is of quality, our work is really meticulous and cared for in every detail. Each bag has its own closure and clutch.
Ad esempio ogni borsa, ogni coffa ha la sua chiusura, ovviamente anche la propria pochette.
This is a hand-twisted fringe. These are flowers, always handmade in pure cotton. This is my logo that represents our Trinagria. Revisited it in a modern way with a crown on the head.
Perché in realtà le coffe siciliane si sono sempre fatte negli anni.
Actually, the coffe bags have always been made, but I focused on the modernity and originality of the coffe bags, following the fashion of the moment.
Insomma, è tutto un lavoro artigianale. Sì, questa ad esempio è pizzo rebrodè e poi ho utilizzato anche tessuto e una licra metallizzata, abbiamo usato proprio per arricchire.
We work a lot on crochet, like our grandmothers, with works that we apply to bags to enrich this coffe.
Questo ad esempio raffigura Orlando.
This is our Orlando, the paladin of the opera of the puppets, loved by Sicilians of the past. There are some typical Sicilian giummi, and here you see, we have revisited it in a modern way.
Insomma, cerchiamo di curarle nei minimi dettagli.